What up, guys? We'll get started in a few minutes, all right? Right, good morning, guys. Post some tickers, questions, like up the stream. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. I'll get started in a few minutes. I'm going to go through Twitter and then I'll go through you guys, all right? What up, what up, what up? Happy Thursday. What up, guys? We'll get started in a few minutes, all right? Right, good morning, guys. Right. Post some tickers, questions. What up, 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 what up? What up, everybody? Yeah. T.O.P. What is happening? Wow, well done, Josh, in the Discord. 13% this week already up on your account. That's unbelievable trading, brother. Right here. Let me go through Twitter and then I'll go through you guys, all right? Tickers, questions, like it up. Let's go. How's it looking here? Done it. MLGO. This thing, I don't know what's going on with this thing. It's done absolute all pre-market. But losing volume. Guys, I want you to ask some technical questions, anything other than just posting tickers, things that you struggle with in the stock market, things that you just struggle with in general, something you don't understand, something that I can explain with, or something I just post on Twitter that you don't understand. So when you look at my posts, you can understand what they mean. So I can explain it because I'm assuming everyone understands what it is. If you don't ask questions, I'm assuming you all know what to do. All right, and I know that's not the case. No question is a dumb question. Just ask away. So 178 is your candle close above TOVX. Everybody understand this. You can use the 5-minute time frame like this. If the candle body closes above this level like that, entry. If it does a wick rejection like it has 3 times, you do not enter the trade. Very simple. Candle body above, entry. No candle body above, no entry. 5-minute time frame. If you want to use the 1 minute, go ahead. If you want to use the 2 minute, go ahead. If you want to use the 3 minute, go ahead. Guys, you need to have a stop loss on Peggy. You need to have a stop loss. People, I don't know. Use a stop loss, guys. Just use a stop loss. Stop trying to hold the stock. Take your money and move away. Take your money and move away. Take your money and move away. TR and R, we are trying to reverse. You see how I'm cleaning up my chart? Look, now we see this resistance over here, 0.165. Close above 0.165, entry. A lot of times you'll see the same thing. Wait for a candle to close above 0.165. Make sense? If it doesn't make sense, need it to make sense. Everybody moving forward, use a stop loss. Use a stop loss. If you do not use a stop loss, you are going to keep losing more and more and more and more. I suggest with the setup that I put on Twitter, have a 5% stop loss. That means if you enter the trade, right, wherever, let's say for example, you enter here, your stop loss is 5%. Okay, so that means if you enter now on this trade, for example, do not enter this trade, but I'm giving you an example. Your stop loss is 5%. Meaning if you go in with $1,000, your stop loss is 5%. You're going to lose $50. That's it. Where's your target? You can use 5% as your target. So you have a 1-to-1 risk reward. You're there to make $50 or lose $50. Do not sell early. Do not sell late. Make sure you are trusting it and leaving it. If you lose, it's okay. You've only lost 5%. But if you're going to keep buying, keep averaging down all this bullshit, you're going to be stuck. You're going to be stuck. That's the biggest error you can make in trading ever. Use a damn stop loss. It's there for a reason. Please, just use it. It will help you and save you a lot of time and money. Everybody loses. I lose every single day. It happens. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. But I win more than I lose. Not every single day I lose, but I lose, and that's normal. All right. Right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. 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 Peggy MLGO. Peggy. I know Peggy's got a lot of bag holders. Everybody, this is what I'm looking at. This is a day trade setup. I'm not using a larger time frame. I'm looking at it in a day trade mindset where I'm in the trade for a few minutes. I'm not holding for it a week. I'm not holding for it a day, or I'm not holding till tomorrow. All I'm doing is I'm getting in. I have my 5% stop loss. I have my 5% target, and that's it. I'm not holding for 200%. I'm not averaging down. I'm not averaging up. I go in with one trade size, and that is it. I go in with my $1,000. If it hits my stop loss, it hits my stop loss. If it hits my target, it hits my target, and I'm gone. I'm not emotionally attached to stock. I don't care what happens to it after it hits my target or my stop loss. Everybody needs to do that if you want to become a day trader like myself, and I'm assuming most of you do. So if you want that to be the case, you need to follow the rules. You cannot be averaging down and all this kind of stuff, chopping and changing, stop loss here, there. You're all over the shop. You're all over the shop. Your results are going to be completely different. You're going to have no consistency. You're going to get frustrated. And then you look back and you don't even understand what you're doing because you haven't journaled. You don't know why you took the trade. You know, there's a lot of things. So if you want to learn those things, right, that's all in the Discord. But I'm just telling you what you need to do. All right. Peggy needs to hold this level. It looks like it's coming down. I would not be in this trade. I would sell it. I would cut the losses wherever you are. Take a loss like a man and move on. If it moves up and it breaks a close above you up, look for the entry for your day trade. Do not try and buy now, please. MLGO, nothing on MLGO. This stock is absolute trash. I don't even know why I traded it today. I don't like the stock at all, even if it's a sub $1 play. It's a load of shit. It's coming down. I'm actually just going to delete all my watch list. Good morning, good morning. Hey, you live in Dubai? Yes, I do. Duo is down 19%. Leave it alone. Very simple. Just leave it. Hey man, what's up? ICCT killing me. Cut the loss. If you're down more than 10%, cut your loss on ICCT. It's down 13%. Cut the loss and move on. Easiest way, I'll tell you, bro. What up? What up? What up? It held above 5.6. Where is Mr. Shiva at? Shiva, where you at? Let's get it. Peggy was not nice to me. Make sure you have a stop loss. EONR, EONR, EONR. EONR is down 12% and 8% yesterday. I would leave it alone. Leave it alone. Unless it breaks above this downtrend, maybe you can look for an entry. Would I enter now? No. Why? Because it's still in a downtrend. Every time it's been to this, hit this trend, it has gone down. So you're looking for a candle to close above. If you want to take entries, sure, go ahead. I would not enter right now. All right. I would wait for 150. Yes, you cannot have a stop loss during pre-market on most brokers, okay? But you have a mental stop loss. That's why you're in one trade at a time. So if you are down 10%, you can see on your broker when you bought the stock and you can see the price and the percentage. When you are down 7% or 5%, cut it and move on. If you are trading pre-market, right, this is what you should do. If you have account size, right, $1,000, that's your account size. Now, if you are trading pre-market trade size, You are only trading with 10% of your account. Do you understand? That is $100. $100 is 10% of 1,000. Right, now, here you understand risk management. Let's say you have a 5% stop loss for pre-market. So you go into your trade, you buy Peggy, whatever, you buy $100 worth of Peggy. Now, your stop loss, right, is 5%. So if you lose 5% on $100, how much is that? $5. Right? Is that right? Yes. So you're losing $5. Now look at this. You are now down. Let's say that was your first trade. You are now down 5 minus $5 on your $1,000 account. That is crazy good. That is fantastic risk management. You only lost $5. That is managing your risk. Now, here's the difference with people who don't know how to trade or don't even have a risk management plan. They have $1,000 account size, right? Look here. Look, I'm trying to teach you something. Save this, screenshot it, whatever. This is what you call risk management. Learn it. Don't care about trading. Everyone can trade. Account size, $1,000. Now, someone will have a pre-market trade size, 100% of account. Now, that is $1,000 is 100% of 1,000, right? People full port. This is full porting, full portfolio. Now, you have a 5% stop loss on this. I'm trying to just copy this. Stop loss is 5%, right? If you lose 5% on $1,000 equals minus 5% on $1,000 is $50. Is that right? Yes. All right. Now, sorry, yes, yeah, this is correct. Now, you are down minus $50 on your $1,000 account. That is 5% down. Do you see the difference? It doesn't seem like a lot, I understand, but which one are you going to choose? There is no fast money way. There is no quick way of making money. This is good management, good risk management, right? Bad risk management. I will put this on Twitter for you so everybody can save this. Give me one sec. I'll get your char requests and all that. Does everybody understand that? Like this up and press 1 in the chat if you understand this. I don't care about trading. This is understanding risk management. Understand this. Understand risk management. Okay, now let me go through some of your questions. All right, let me go through some of this. Save this, screenshot it. It's on my Twitter. I put it there for you guys. Peggy was not nice. Here's one question. How do I have a demand zone? Last demand zone is last red candle before the move up. Last red candle before the move up. That is it there. MGRX, 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 MGRX. MGRX, nothing unless 0.3221. MGRX, nothing unless 0.3221. Do we ever try average down if the stock falls from entry? Personally, I don't. I do not. I go in with my normal... Okay, this is my thought process behind day trading when you're averaging down. I go into a trade because I'm trying to win. I'm not going into a trade half-assing 50% to try and average down. I'm in there to win, and that's it. If I lose, I'm only losing my 3%. Why am I going to average down and then hope and pray if it goes up? I cut my loss. I move on. If it sets up again, I'll retake my entry. Usually it doesn't set up again, but sometimes if it does, then I'll take an entry. So I go in with my normal amount, I hit my target, hits my stop loss, and that's it. I'm not going to average down all this shit because then my win rate and all that kind of stuff is all over the place. I don't like to do it. Yes, you can have a stop loss during pre-market, but you can make sure you monitor the play. ELAB, yes. Yes, Paul, you're right. You are correct. I haven't looked at it, but yes. What is the best way to identify incoming volume flow? Incoming volume flow, probably the orders. You can look at level 2 orders. But just use the top gainers. Weeble top gainers will be the best one to find out. If the FFIE, let me have a look. FFIE, nothing on this for me personally. I don't know. I don't like this stock. There's nothing on it. Nothing. It's not bullish. Look here. FFIE, if I'm trying to enter it, here's my resistance around here. 333, maybe a little bit low actually. 320. Close above 320, you can look for your entry on the 1 minute, 2 minute, daily, weekly, 5 minute, 20 minute, whatever. FFI, oh fuck's sake. FFIE, wait for a candle to close and break above 320. I will get to everyone's questions. Just be patient. I'm going through everything. If the VWAP was at 0.57, green candle closes above, it is also bullish. If a stock is above VWAP, yes, it is bullish. The main thing I struggle with is setting my stop loss at the right percentage. That's something you got to develop over time. I like to use a 3% stop loss and 3 to 5% target. You can use, I would say, make sure you use a 1-to-1 risk reward. If you're trading the same stocks and you have the same style as me, trading the high volume plays, small caps, I recommend having a 5% stop loss, 5% target. Something as simple as that. Don't chop and change. Stick with that for at least 2-3 months. See how your win rate is. Don't sell at 4% because it's getting close to your target or stop loss. Don't sell at 3% or 4% because it's getting close to your target. You either have a 5% target, 5% stop loss. It hits one of those, that's it. How do we reconcile let profits run? The best way to do it is I sell at least 50% of my position at my first target, which is 3 to 5%. If it keeps going up, I scale out the rest as I go. There's no certain percentage. There's no best way to scale out. I recommend just selling when you're happy. I usually sell too early, but I'd rather be green than not being able to take my profits. If the market's not great, sell 80% of your at the first target. If the market's running very well and there's a lot of movers, sell 50%. How do we identify stop loss without getting hunted? What do you mean? Just have a stop loss from your entry. What tool do you use to determine the percentage? I use a calculator, but you can just use this one here. It's called data price range. You can see. So move it down. You can see from here to here is 10%. Here's the price. Mullen. Right, let's like up the stream, guys. I'm giving you a lot of information here. Leave Mullen alone. It's a load of shit. Trust me, just cut it. FFIE, nothing on that. I just went over it. ATR, whatever your entry is, 5% stop loss. Okay, always stop loss. Always, 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 always stop loss. Always, always stop loss. Always, always stop loss. That is it. Whatever trade. If you take my trades that I post on Twitter, have a stop loss. Have a stop loss. That's it. ELAB, I didn't do... I posted the levels. But here, look. 0.7, 175, 225. Looks very, very good though. TOVX 178 needs to close above here. 5 minute close above here. You can look for your entry. You have to wait 1 minute for the candle to close. This is not a candle close above. That is a wick rejection. The body needs to close on 5 minute charts. IMRX cup and handle. I think this was a falling wedge from what I remember. I think. Possible falling wedge on IMRX. This hasn't ran in a while. Maybe it is time for it to move. More like a death wedge. It's a very steep falling. I don't like. No, I wouldn't use this as a falling wedge. Cup and handle. No, it needs to stay above this high. It's in a demand zone though. Look here. Last red candle before the move to the upside right here. It's inside this demand zone. Looks all right. Everyone, like and retweet, repost that YouTube link. I want everybody to join here. I have 20,000 people following me on Twitter and only 70 people are in here. Lazy people. Free education right here. Free education. Tell your grandmother, your mother, your ex-boyfriend, husband, everybody, get them in. Get them in. Get them in. Let me retweet this. Everybody retweet it. Retweet. No one's retweeted it. I want more retweets. More. Right, I just joined TVX, GSIW. Guys, I'm getting to your question. Just be patient. There's a lot of questions, which is good. I like it, but just be patient. GSIW. Nothing unless 225. GSIW needs to close above 225. So GSIW, no entries unless 2.25. Break and close above. All right. Right, where is this play? EONR. EONR is nothing. MLGO is done. I would cut leave MLGO. Hollow looking like a touch. I don't know. I'm not interested in Hollow, bro. Hollow's down 18%. Just leave it alone. I would just avoid Hollow at all costs. Don't trade it. Stop trading it. Never trade it ever again. You're going to keep getting bagged whole. Had so many stocks drop 5 times in pre-market. Saw 23. It happens. You have to focus on one play at a time. When we look at the close above, how many candles? One candle needs to close above, as I just mentioned. It's very simple, guys. I get a little bit frustrated because people are, I don't know, I don't want to be rude, but like dumb as rocks. Like, is it very difficult to understand that a candle needs to close above? Seriously, it's a candle that closes above. This is a candle that's closed above. This is not closed above. How is this closed above? The wick has rejected. Does that make sense? Very simple. Very simple. I put it on Twitter. If the candle closes above, then you can look for your entry. Easy. This is not a close above. That's a close above. What time frame? You choose. I like the 5 minute. Okay? Okay. Never go all in. Why? Why are you trying to make quick money like that? It's not going to work. No good trader full ports everything. It's a load of shit. You're going to blow your account. I just watch one play at a time, Imran. I'm not in plays that usually knife like that. If I do, it rarely happens. Maybe once or twice a week, if that. But it rarely happens. If you believe in track, few weeks. Yeah, exactly. Track it. Between pre-market risk management, lotto risk management. I would say pre-market's the same as lotto risk management. Maybe lotto could be 5% of your account. What is the difference between day trading and gambling? 111. Love it, guys. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Glad to see you guys enjoying it. Yeah, I get all this thing, but when you're buying, you buy shares. The stock could be at 0.59, so it's hard to tell how many shares you need to buy. It's just easy. Do quick maths. You can do quick maths, bro. Like, if the stock is getting close to your level, go to a calculator, do the number divided by the amount of shares, and you'll get the number. That's it. It's very easy to do. It takes 2 seconds. It's not difficult. It can be roughly about $100. It doesn't have to be exactly $100. It can be 102, 3, 105, 100. It can be 86, 96, whatever it is. Just around there, you'll get the gist of it. But you don't need to make it difficult. And then how do you determine the price set stop loss when you don't know exactly how much is to buy? You just work it out, Gamma. It's not difficult. It's really not difficult at all. It's not difficult. Use a calculator. Work it out. Work out how many shares you need to what's $100 worth of this, right? Then all you need to do is, and then from there, you enter the trade. Say you enter now with your $100. You bought $100 worth of a stock, okay? Then you can use this tool or you can use a calculator. So if you enter here, your stop loss is 5%. So now you know you enter the trade. There's your stop loss. Where's your 5% target? Here. So now all you're doing is you're waiting, right? You're buying and waiting and anticipating and watching this play one at a time. If you see the stock getting close to this level, the yellow line, Let's say the stock is here, right? Let's say the stock is right over here. All right. It's getting close to your entry point. Okay, so what do? You go to a calculator, you work out, okay, how many shares do I need to buy to make $100 or whatever it is? Okay, now you have it. Now you can wait. All you have to do is wait. As soon as it gets there, place your order, let it fill. There's your target, there's your stop loss. Bang, easy. That's it. It takes time, practice. It's not going to happen every time. It takes time, practice, 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 practice. How do you turn Webull dark mode? You go to settings here, then here, this one. Settings, bottom left, general, then this one here. But it should be standard. This is the main question. Pets. I'm going to start posting so much educational stuff. But if you want to get the real nitty and gritty parts with the seminars that I talk about it, get in the seminar. Join the Discord. It's $90. It's not a lot of money. $90 to understand how to trade and have a skill for life. It's a no-brainer. It's actually extremely cheap. I should be charging $9,000. Pets, there's nothing on this, bro. No volume. Look at these dots. Nothing. No pre-market. No after hours. Nothing. Why not scalp MLGO? Because it's coming down. I don't like it. Hasn't been doing anything pre-market. TOVX. Yeah, people should be in this. Closed above, look for 5%. Really good info. Yeah, TOVX. I told you guys what you need to do this about 5 hours ago, so I don't understand. How do you get those charts on Webull? What do you mean? Just type it in. ICCT is nothing on this. 8% down, needs to hold 0.5, I guess. It needs to hold this level, big level here. Needs to hold 0.5. More questions, guys. Keep the questions coming. I'm here for another 10-15 minutes. I use old school. This is the calculator I use right here. This is the calculator I use. I put the price in and then I know roughly what the 3 to 5% is because I do it every single day for the last 4 years. Very old school, it's whatever. TOVX 5%, well done. And the demand zone, Wheeler looks to be reversing. Where is this thing? Wheeler's here. Wheeler's just holding this support. I don't really like it at the moment. $16 as well. I'm probably just going to remove it, to be honest. EVGO. EVGO looks good. $5 next. I had this on my watch list. I don't know why it went. $5 is your big level. Then you have $5.49. Big psych level here. Looks very, very good. We have a purple line. We have EVGO needs $5. Also, guys, don't spam me on Twitter, please. It's rude. I'm just gonna block you. I'd have no feelings. I don't care. It's rude to do it. I have 1,000 requests every day. I get to pretty much all of them, so just wait. Your turn will be coming soon. Watch what this does. Like up the stream. How many likes we got in here? We only got 35 likes. That's lazy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. RZLV. Interesting. RZLV 26%. Yeah, looks all right. I would wait for this resistance to break 976. Close above 976 on the 5 minute. Look for your entry. If it doesn't close above, you do not enter. Okay, okay. RZLV. Wait for a candle to close above 976, 9.76. This is by far the most helpful stream for trading, especially on pieces, chart lineup. Yeah, I just keep it very simple, bro. I keep it very simple. I ain't got time I ain't got time for shit today. You're right, bro. People ask the same questions. I don't know why they're so confused. Like I understand, maybe because I understand trading very well and it's easy for me, but it's not difficult. The candle needs to close above. What time frame you choose? I have the 5 minute time frame. I say it every single day. Nvidia. I don't know what's happening here. Here's your resistance right here. Close above here, you have a range to here and then here. Nvidia key levels. The body of the candle needs to close above the breakout target. Your stop loss will save you if it's a fake out. It's not a fake out unless, if the body closes above, that's not a fake out. The body closes above, that's called a breakout. That confirms that the stock has broken out and broken the resistance. EONR is actually moving again. Interesting, interesting, interesting. EONR does look good though. I'm going to just keep some of my washes. Large time frame next time. Peggy, nothing on Peggy. Where's Peggy? Peggy's 46%. Look, Peggy's very easy. If it breaks above the downtrend, you can look for your entries. If it doesn't break the downtrend, don't enter. Expecting another HKD bounce. If it closes above this candle, yes. Let me just clean it up a bit. Like this. RCAT due to war. Probably yes, that's good stock. Do you ever consider patterns in your strategy? Yes, of course. I use the most important strategy I use. So every single day I use it. The most common... yes, I do use chart patterns. I use bullish chart patterns. That's what I use. I use it with conferences and things that I'm teaching here as well. But I explain everything. I have a whole seminar on my strategy. I give everything there. It's all there. How I trade, risk management, why I enter the trade, how to enter the trade, what confidence you need to enter the trade, all those things. Couldn't see the calculator. Which one was it? It's there, bro. It's above. Click on it. Do people really make money in your Discord? Does a bear shit in the woods? Bro, yes, of course they make money in my Discord. That's why we have a Discord. Because we have people in there who make money. Everyone in there, I wouldn't say makes money because they're all starting out, but they all will definitely learn something in trading. And I teach that very well. Both myself and Hassi do it very, very well. We teach you how to trade. We're not an alert service. We don't just give alerts. We do give alerts. But I teach you how to trade. I tell you how to buy a stock, where to buy a stock, how I trade, how it's got me profitable, and what I do to enter my trade. I give you journals, I give you a risk management plan, I give you everything that you need to succeed as a trader. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes maybe a couple of months, a week, 2 weeks, whatever. It just depends how quickly you grasp the concept and how much time you want to put into it. But yes, of course, people make money in the Discord. You can read, you can simply just go onto our WAP and look at the reviews. There's over 70 plus there, and you can understand and see what people are saying about the Discord, and from there you can understand. What do you mean by needs to hold? Oh my days, oh my days. So look, what it means to hold, okay? It means the candle, the stock, the chart, whatever this is, okay, this 0.5, the candle needs to close and hold above 0.5. It needs to stay above 0.5, and then it should continue to go up. That is what I mean. It needs to stay and close and hold above. If it doesn't hold above 0.5, it should come down. If it holds above, it should go up. That's it. 100% chance of it? No. Is anything 100% chance? No. While I normally have 5% stop loss, 98% of the time, do you ever look at the volatility of the stock of the day, knowing to be a stop loss? Nope. I stay with the same thing every time because I do my same strategy every single time. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. If I runs, it runs. Do you ever use RSI? No, I do not. I only use VWAP. I used to use other indicators. I don't use MACD. I don't use any of that bullshit. I just use VWAP. RSI works for other traders, works for a lot of other people. For me, I don't use it. It's not something that I incorporate. Yes, let me just sort this out for a member. Needs a journal access. Rob, I don't know if you're in here, but I'm just going to give you access now, bro. Robbo. How's ATGL looking after that upswing? ATGL. Oh, my computer has frozen. Oh no, it's better now. Upswing. Well, right now it's in a downswing. It's in a downtrend, bro. Maybe here we'll find support around this level. Around this 435-ish level. It's heading into like this demand zone-ish area. You would miss so many runners. Then you have to adjust. Then that doesn't work for you. I'm just saying what works for me, and I'm just trying to teach and help, that's all. If you need to have a 50% stop loss, then you are not trading correctly. How can we learn the difference between a demand zone and the stock falling? Since they're both going down, what makes you choose one or the other? Very simple. It's very easy to understand. This is the most simple way to understand trading. Very easy. Very, very easy. Here's an example. This can be, for example, this is on the 5-minute time frame. Clear as day. This can be on the 1 hour, 4 hour, whatever you imagine it's on. It doesn't matter the time frame. Look. Now look what's happening. The stock is in a downtrend identified by this white line. What does this mean? It means a downtrend, bearish. What does that mean? It means a stock is going down. It should go down. Are you going to buy a stock that should go down and is going down? No. Why? Because you're not going to enter something that has a higher probability of going down than up. So now, very simple to understand. When are you going to enter the stock? You are going to enter the stock if the candle closes above the trend line. Because if the candle closes above this trend line, it has confirmed that there is a breakout and has confirmed that there is a high probability that the stock will go up. The trend has changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. So you are not looking to buy now. Your entry point is above the downtrend. That's it. If you want to buy inside the demand zone, there are some confluences you need to use, which I teach in the Discord. You're welcome to join. Can you do MU? Yeah, let me have a look. This was a swing trade. I know for some people, I don't know about this one. MU. So look here, MU is very simple to understand, right? Look what's happening. We have it on the 4 hour. We can see that this is what's happening. Look, right? This stock right now is just going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So we're not going to buy. Why are we going to buy when it's keep going up, down, up, down? We don't know what's going to happen. But I can tell you that if you want to get in this position, you want it to break and close above this resistance. So if it closes above $100, you have room to the upside. That's the only way you're looking for an entry. If you try enter now, it might go up, it might go down. You don't know. There's a higher probability it'll go down. Why? Because of the downtrend. Look, everything's going down. You see? There you go, Brady boy. I know that's no difference between one and another, but it is waiting for a close above. Yeah, lower the time frame. So look, the lower the time frame, the less confirmation. I use the 5 minute because I've back tested it. I have over 6,000 trades back tested with it. It works very well for my strategy and what I teach. Some people use the 1 minute with my strategy. Some people use they use 30 minute. It just depends. I just teach what I know and what works for me. Yes, there are other time frames you can use. I don't know the success rate on it. That's why I don't talk about it. I don't know how successful my strategy is on the 10-minute, on the 20-minute, 4-hour, daily, weekly. I don't know. I know how successful it is on the time frame that I use. People make $90 a month, so they basically make the money. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I don't need to promote the Discord. I talk about it just because I'm very confident that I share a lot of value in there, and pretty much I give everything away. My transparency is there. Everyone can see I win, I lose, but I win a lot more than I lose. Same as Hassi, he gives his strategies. Everything is there. So $90 is not much. If you can't afford it, then don't join. If you can afford it, it's definitely worth it in my opinion. To make $90, that's all I care about for members, because I want them to stay in there. And what we teach, right? We teach our strategies, and then what happens is when members join, they start to see the same charts, they start to see other members doing the same thing as what I teach, and they start to grasp that concept, and then they start to learn as well. And then from there, you join the community, and you're in the community where you all trade together and you all trade the same strategy, you help each other out, and you're all able to get in the same trade setups and make money. That's it. Because we know the strategy works. I show it every day. TOVX, yes, well done. Look. Well done on TOVX. 5-minute candle closed above. There it is. 7%. So if your stop loss was here, 5%, let's say here, right? Your target's there, 5%, which is there. That's it. This is where your entry point is. Why is this your entry point? Because this is the candle that closed above this level. Does that make sense? Nothing else closed above. Right, TOVX. So you should be out at least 50% of your position. I would sell 80% of my position because market is opening soon. All right, I'm gonna go over these last questions and I'm done. Nice, solid. What do you think about, if you can give me the stock ticker name, it will be better, but Quala. I don't know what that stock is, but I don't have it. Do you have senior members in your group that all contributors are random people asking how to trade? Yeah, we have senior people in there as well, but people know, they respect myself and Hassi. So what we do is when they join, we tell them to watch the seminars, because the seminars, I tell you pretty much to the T exactly what you need to do. You need to follow this risk management plan. You need to understand what the strategy is that we teach, what Hassi's strategy is. You have your stop loss, you have your target, you have everything in place. So once you watch and learn that, if you want to take the time out and learn that, then you'll be able to understand it a lot better. We do have senior people in there, yes, but everyone is there to learn. I learn every day from members. They give me some things that we learn. So yeah, I'm learning every day as well. Join this, I've already paid 3 months in 1 day. Let's go, Randy. Can you check MU? Yes, I went over MU. The real problem is you're chasing runners instead of getting your 3 finds. If you get stopped out, then maybe stocks quick re-enter it. Yes. Do you have medium to long-term holds? I do have swing trades, but I also do have long-term, yeah, but not many. KXIN, this got rocked, I think. Yeah, 24% down, just leave it. Do you wait for the market to open, start trading? No, I trade pre-market, and then I trade market as well, intraday as well. I've been taking 1 or 2 trades this week, like every day, because the market's not great. Go EVGO. There's your candle close above. That should be your entry. Trade pre-market as well. Are you Hassi related? No, we're not. He lives in England. I live in Dubai. Have you ever traded exactly at open based on pre-market? We have a 5-minute strategy that I teach. I don't actually trade it. I've done it a few times, but it's a lot for me to do when I'm doing live trading as well. So I just give the members a setup and what we need to do. They understand it. There's a seminar on it as well. But yeah, I do normally wait. I just wait until my market gives me a setup. If it gives me a setup, if it takes me 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever, I don't care how long it takes, I'll have to wait. What's my stop loss? Whatever entry, whatever price I enter stock at, my 5% stop loss is from there. So if I enter now, my stop loss is 5% from there. Room is the same person. Neo's good, I like it. It needs to break out though. Yeah, exactly. All right, guys, I've got to head into the Discord. Here is the link for live trading. I'm doing live trading today for an hour. I do it every single day. Hassi does an hour after me. And then, yeah, live seminars, all that kind of stuff. Alerts, entry, stop loss targets, swing trades, all the fun stuff. All right. Thank you for joining, guys. I appreciate it. It was actually a very good stream. Make sure that you like it, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later today. Have a fantastic day. Peace out.